Happy Friday, everybody. Okay, everybody knows Friday is my favourite day of the week. And I am in the workshop to talk to you about these three beauties here. And also to showcase our beautiful refurbishing. Anyway, so what we have here, so this is going out the door today. So this was an order that we received for a Catalyst 4507R Plus E. I've asked the boys to install the cards in there just for the purpose of this video. But while I was here, I thought, do you know what? I'll do a little check, because obviously we all know that that's an original Catalyst 4000 series. This is not in stock. This is an old test bed that we use for testing early Cat 4000 cards. But so I thought I'd put that one in there. And I did a quick check online, and this is the model that replaced the 4500s and the 4000 series, and that is the 9400 series switch. And yeah, so anyway, just a little bit brief history about that one. So that's the Cat 4000 series. It came out first of all, I believe, as a 6-slot. And then the 3-slot came out soon after. This one came out in the late 90s. And basically, it was layer 2 switch only. And there are, from memory, I think there are 4 different supervisor engines you could get for that. A multitude of cards, Ethernet and gigabit Ethernet. And then they introduced the PoE cards for those. And then you've got the 4500 series, which replaced that model. And this came out in the early 2000s, about 5 or 6 years, about 5 years later. And anyway, you could get PoE in there, SFP, gigabit. And now there are, although there's one generation of Cat 4000, there are 3 generations of Cat 4500. So there, first of all, came out the 4507R, then the 4507R-E, then the 4507R Plus E, which is this one. And they did them in a 3-slot, a 6-slot. This is the 7-slot. The R stands for redundancy, so you can have 2 supervisor engines in those. And then they did the slightly taller one, the 4510 10-slot chassis. And then you've got, this replaced it, the 9410. There's a 4-slot, I believe. And is there a 7-slot? I can't remember. But anyway, just a quick one for the day. So this one's going out the door. You see we've got these specially designed mini pallets. That'll stop this from getting damaged, because even though it's old, we still want to protect it. There are still these out on networks all over the world. These are going out for maintenance spares, so these will all be removed and they'll go in boxes similar to this. But anyway, just a quick one for the day. Have a lovely weekend. See you next week. Bye.